Hi guys, as proud as I am to have made the first handmade YInTiCo paint, I understand that for paint makers or people that want to make paint, buying a dot or quarter pen, a half pen of that pigment from me or the limited edition from Schminke was quite expensive or is quite expensive. So is the pigment, but if you want to try it yourself, good news, Kremer just released it on their website. You can get it from Kremer. So for paint makers out there, you know, you can try it yourself. It's a wonderful pigment. Check out the video of me making it. You can see how easy it is, how it melts into the binder, and it's a good time making paint, and it's a beautiful color as well. So check it out. Link is down below. It's not an affiliate. It's just, you know, me sharing information. So have fun.